Hey, what's up? I'm Jake, and today I'm breaking down how I made my very first $1,000 in passive income, and how that one moment flipped a switch in my life forever. But heads up, this isn't some get-rich-quick story. This is real talk. If you've ever said to yourself, I just need one extra stream of income, or if I could just make money without trading hours for it, then lean in, because this video is exactly what you've been looking for. Now, I want you to do two things for me real quick. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, because this won't be the last time I drop gems that could change your whole financial game. And if you know somebody who's been searching for a way out of the rat race, share this video with them right now. Trust me, they'll thank you later. So let me tell you what most people get wrong about passive income. They think it's instant. They think it's automatic, and they think it's easy. But here's the truth. Making your first $1,000 in passive income is the hardest part. Why? Because that's when you're battling the most doubt, the most fear, and the most confusion. That's where I was. I had some money saved up, was working my day job and thinking, okay, I want to build real wealth, but how do I actually start? Crypto was confusing. Stocks were volatile. And starting a business? Way too many moving parts. Then I looked into real estate investing, and not the HGTV flip a house in a week stuff. I'm talking about smart, strategic, long-term real estate. And I'll be honest, at first it was overwhelming. I didn't know the terms. I didn't know the risks. I didn't even know if I needed tens of thousands of dollars to get in. But what changed everything was education. Once I got access to the right information, not random YouTube videos or overpriced boot camps, I learned how people just like me were using real estate to build consistent, passive cash flow. That first deal, it didn't make me rich overnight, but it gave me a consistent $1,000 a month in income. And that, my friend, was the moment I realized I would never be financially dependent on a job again. Now, you might be watching this thinking, hey Jake, good for you, but how do I do it? That's why this video exists. Not to give you fluff, not to sell you hype, but to show you there is a smarter way to make your money work for you. A way that doesn't require a finance degree, $1 million inheritance, or 80 hours a week. But here's the kicker. You can't YouTube your way to wealth. You can't just collect random advice and hope it clicks. You need a blueprint, you need structure, you need real guidance. That's why we built our real estate investing course over at Exodus Capital. It's designed for people who are serious about making passive income, whether you're starting with $1,000 or $100,000. We walk you through the key foundations of real estate wealth, how to think like an investor, what mistakes to avoid, and most importantly, how to set yourself up for long-term freedom. So if you've ever wondered, can I really do this? The answer is yes, but not if you stay stuck watching and not acting. Let this video be your first step. Click the link below and check out our course. It might just be the most profitable click you've ever made. And before you go, if this video hit home for you, hit that like button, drop a comment, and share it with someone you care about. Let's build something real together. I'm Jake from Exodus Capital, and this is just the beginning.